combustion emissions, nowhere, and that's AC, is spark plug information at all. In order for us to change our spark plugs or inspect them, there's a couple of extra steps here to do. You got hose clamps to the air or to this new system, which I got no clue the name of. There is a bolt about a 15 millimeter, two of them, that needs to be loosened, pulled forward, because over here is some type of set. Once you pull this off, you got the 4 modules located right about here. There's that set bolt or clip, and there's a module that is your spark plug. And over here is a bolt, about a 10 millimeter or so, maybe a 13. I may be off by a couple of sizes. And you take it and you lift up, and then you're going to use a special spark plug extractor. These are actually 10 millimeters. And they're pretty snug. About 3 turns on each. We simply can lift up on each of the bolt. That frees it. And the one back here just applies a little pressure, lifting towards you. Right here, as I pull away, it allows me to get to the spark plug. I need to take these off to get this out of my way. You'll make a decision which is easiest to take off and out of the way. Pull away, squeeze, now that we have a nice clear shot of everything in front, observe. Cleaned up a little, and I'm going to take this one off and inspect my spark plug. They are as well a 10 millimeter bolt. As I loosen up, I don't want to lose the bolt or drop anything. Rust can get on anything today. There's the bolt, nice and rusty. To the side, no longer need my tool. I need to disconnect by pressing the top. You can hear the clickingness, and pulling the press and the pull to the side. Make sure you know this is number one. I'm disconnected. Little twist and pull. I need to go get the proper spark plug extractor. 5/8 14 millimeter will not fit, but a 13 millimeter is all I got. And I'll show you what A 15 will do. The 15 will not go in, but a 13 will slide down. I need to have a 14 millimeter, which will not fit. So as I slide down, I need a longer tool. Once I take that out, then I take the spark plug and I measure the gap. If the gap is the correct measurement, argument's sake, say it's 1.10, everything matches up, I put the spark plug back. There's going to be a discrepancy. Anti-seize grease may or may not be used. Then you take your module. You start to twist it, get it into place. Get it connected. Give a little pull up. It's nice and solid. With your 10 millimeter, back on things go. Start to crank this bad boy down. Just tight enough the way it came off. Take your Honda module, whatever you want to call it. Line it up. Put your hoses back on. Grab your clamp, slide it over the way it came off. Lock this bad boy down and lock this bad boy down. Make sure you have the right spark plug adapter, the socket to get things out. I'm uncertain of my size, but I do have the gap tool, and at least I gave it a shot. I'm going to stop some cars. Hey, you got a spark plug adapter? You got an extractor? Well, I hope you enjoyed this video of inspecting the spark plug and how to get to it. Have a great day, everybody.